So this is Shrita Cadenhead, and I am at Michael's in Hoover, and we got a mother-daughter team here. The person that was supposed to show up didn't show up today, so I went out in the store and I grabbed some and said, hey, this class is paid for. You want to come on in and learn how to paint? So tell us who you are and what you think about the class.
I'm Angela, and this made our day fantastic.
All right, very good, very good. How easy was it?
Very easy.
Okay, very easy.
Yeah,
Are either of
but you're a good teacher.
Well, thank you so much. Do either of you paint? You paint? Okay, very good. Very good. Mom, do you paint?
No.
Have you ever painted?
A couple of, classes where everybody paints the same thing.
Okay. So we've been in this class, maybe an hour?
Yeah.
And I think this is art. It's beautiful.
It turned out great.
It turned out great. It's an absolute keeper. This is a flip cup, and this is a flip cup as well, and they are absolutely beautiful. Listen, I thank you all for coming in and letting me doing this. So, anything you want to say about invite people to take the class next time it's offered? Michael's, because of everything that's going on with the coronavirus, this is going to be my last class for a while until Michael says it's okay to start having them again. But
we'll come back then.
All right, very good. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.